Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Let's zoom out a little bit and take a look here at the bigger picture. Structurally, bigger picture wise, nothing changed. We're still tracking a bullish scenario in which we would like to see another larger wave 4 and 5 before completing this 5-wave structure. As soon as that's done, we have a major decision point. I'm tracking it here as a high B wave. It could become something different, but we will deal with that question when we get there. We haven't even completed wave 3 as the latest price action shows. So the price is still moving in this ascending price channel and has reached just again the ascending trend line, the upper boundary line of that trend channel. So we'll see how we see, if we see a reaction to that trend channel's upper boundary line. The situation is that with the break above resistance, it has become more likely that this is an extension of the third wave. So you see here a possible count for that third wave. Obviously, as we're dealing with the diagonal, has to be an ABC structure, and we have our A wave here, a shallow B. There are different ways of counting this, but that looks best to me. And then a very long C wave. Well, it's not very long actually. If you compare the length of the wave A, the wave C is still absolutely reasonable. And yeah, it seems like we are now in this third wave. Next Fibonacci extension targets that we talked about in previous videos are $79.56 and $93. That should be reached on the Solana chart, either still in the third wave or in the fifth wave. Now the market has decided to do it in the third. So the next level to watch really is the $79.50 level. After that, I would look at, 93. Okay, so that's the bigger picture. Structurally here, nothing changed, but obviously the subdivision changed. Well, it hasn't changed really because we had both charts or scenarios on the chart. And the market shows the extension, okay? The, however, preferred high B wave is not previously preferred, is not invalid, but now less likely with a break above resistance. Now, let me explain that. If we now break below certain levels, which I will talk about in this video, without forming 5 waves up, then I will assume that this is still a high B wave. So A wave down, overshooting B wave, because it's only a 3-wave move, and then we come down in wave C. Whereas in the yellow count, we would like to have another 4-5 pattern and then come down. Okay, so it's not a great difference anyway. They're fairly close together, these counts. So looking at the microstructure then, this microstructure hasn't changed at all. So it's still, we're still looking at a WXY structure higher here, and within the Y wave, the ABC. I shared with you in the last video a micro support level against which we said we can still focus on higher. That support never broke, so you have to go with the flow, go with the trend. It seems at the moment in this micro count, the support is 69.20. It seems to really complete this third wave. It would look better with a 4 and 5 pattern, but there isn't even a signal that this C wave has topped. Okay, so this can still extend higher, even though, especially against 69.20. Even though I have to say that obviously we've now approached the upper boundary line of the trend channel. That's noteworthy, and 79, around about 79.50 is the next Fibonacci target, and then we've got 93 next. So again, if you're trading the upside, you can use the micro support. Once 69.20 is breaking, I will add a support area here for wave 4, and if that breaks, that should be the signal that we are in this larger degree fourth wave. Okay, at the moment, the trend is still up, but very much overextended, of course. But again, that's why we share the support levels. What else can I share? I don't think there is much more to share. I mean, what would be wave 4 support now? If it started wave 4 now, I will take it off the chart again because it's likely going to change if the price pushes a little higher. It would be down to the golden ratio. 60 here, so 61.77. So let's say if at any point now the price breaks below 61.77, then it would be a good signal, not absolute confirmation, but a good signal that this fourth wave has started. Remember what I said, this could still be a high B wave. Maybe I should add that to the chart just with a question mark. but it has become a bit unlikely due to the break above. I've got the wrong layout now. Don't check that later. But it is a bit too high to be reliable for a B wave. Even though I have to say, I mean, again, you know, resistance or the 1.38 retracement, which is a key level for a high B wave, was really only marginally broken. And the structure is still a B wave structure. It's only 3 waves up and it's corrective. So yeah, we need to remain flexible here on this chart, but basically the support level that can be watched at the moment is at 69.20. That is the micro support. If that level breaks, it tells us first that this third wave, yeah, is likely complete. Not much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.